your knees hurt? Many people have pain in their joints, knees, elbows, and hands, but they think this is because of aging. Do you think so too? If you have this problem, this cinnamon, pineapple, and orange juice is a highly efficient natural remedy for treating and alleviating knee and joint pain. The vitamin C found in pineapple and orange is essential for the bones. Pineapple also contains big amounts of bromelain, an anti-inflammatory that helps with joint pains. Cinnamon helps the blood flow more efficiently through the body, and orange juice strengthens the ligaments and tendons. To make this drink, you will need 2 small cups of diced pineapple, 1 cup of rolled oats, 2 cups of water, 1 glass of orange juice, 1 cinnamon stick, raw honey, natural. Add the water and rolled oats to a pan and let them cook for a few minutes. After the oat is cooked, let it cool down. Add the oatmeal, orange juice, cinnamon, pineapple, and honey to a blender. Mix everything and add some water if you want the juice thinner. For better results, it is recommended to drink the juice daily. After 5 days, you should notice a total improvement in your knee and joint pains. So, did you like this recipe? Try it and share it with us if you noticed any improvements. Did you like the flavor? If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.